Now let's see the FM modulation. This is based on IC8038. That is the different kinds of waves generation: square wave, sine wave, and the triangular wave. So in this circuit, okay, so here we are just checking, that means the output of from this IC8038, that means square wave, sine wave, and the triangular wave. So, and in this one, here you can see the FM bias, that will be, it will be not connected to anything, but this is the actual FM generator circuit. FM means the frequency modulation. So in the output waveform, the frequency has to be changed. Okay, so the frequency has to be changed. That is what the frequency modulation. So here we are, this is the capacitor. Okay, so depending upon the this capacitor's value, there will be the compression and the rarefaction, or the change of the frequency. Let's see that in output how it will be. That means whenever this capacitor, during the charging of this one, the frequency will be less, and discharging, that will be more. Okay, so if we come with the simulation, then that will be so this is what I told from this circuit. Okay, so this is just, we are checking the whether it is like here we FM bias and sweeps are not given to anything, so we are just checking it is generating the square wave, and this is the sine wave, and this is the triangular wave. So if we apply here the sine wave, which is of offset is 0 and 1 volt. Okay, 1 volt, and frequency is 200 hertz, and if we see the output, okay, so for that one, yeah, I just need to increase this time division. Here we can see it is generating, and here we can see there is the, that means the frequency here, it is of lower frequency, and here it is of a higher frequency. Even we can check the voltage of this capacitor. Let's check this. So for that one, okay, voltage of this capacitor, we will see what will be the voltage. So yeah, we will just connect, instead of this one, we will just connect from here to the oscilloscope, so that we can relate this capacitor with the output waveform. So now let's run this circuit, and we will see. This is from this circuit and from this circuit. So this has to be keep at okay. So now we can see whenever this capacitor is discharging and charging, that means whenever it is discharging, here we have to get the more voltage. So whenever this is more voltage, that time this will be the of lower frequency, and whenever that capacitor is charging, that means we are getting this FM bias as the lower one, so lower voltage. So whenever this becomes lower, here we can see this will going to generate the like higher frequencies. So all three waves we can observe. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.